Hey mamas, welcome back to Round to Be Organizing, where we are tackling the fridge. Because we have all been there, opening your fridge to chaos and horror. It's stressful, it makes it hard to even want to cook because you don't know what's even in there. But I got you. Step one, let's empty the fridge out because we have to have a clean slate to start. And since we're dealing with refrigerated items, we need to keep them cold. So I use lunch bags, coolers, hot and cold tote bags, anything that I can find to help me with that because we don't have a second refrigerator. This is all we have. So, I mean, look at it. How many bags did I use? Seven. I use 7 different bags to try to keep everything cold, and you may have to do the same thing. Now that we've taken everything out, y'all, just look at the amount of nastiness and spills on these shelves. We got to clean that up. So step 2 is deep clean. Look at that. If I hadn't pulled everything off the shelves, I would have never seen that this is here. I don't even know what this is, honestly. And this is the final look before moving on to step 3. In this step, we're going to put hands on everything. Everything we took out of the shelves, we are going to go through and we're going to see if it's worth taking space in the fridge. And if so, where should it be? To help us determine whether it's something that needs to be back in the fridge, ask yourself a couple questions. 1, is it expired? Is it old? 2, do you like it? Are you actually going to eat it? For me, I like to try different spices and sauces. So there were a few that I knew we weren't going to eat. We didn't like it, so they got to go. Once I know I'm keeping something, I'm putting them with like items so I can find a home from them in my fridge. Quick tip, wipe down those items, especially sauces, because they get all gunky at the top and we just cleaned everything. Let's try to keep it clean for a little while. Or for me, since I got younger ones, let's try to keep it clean for a week before I got to go back in there and wipe things down again, right? But anywho, I already planned out my shelves using a system that I've already established and it's working. So my top shelf, I use my vegetables and I have a lot of mason jars, so I'm repurposing those for that. The second shelf is fruits. The third shelf is dairy. Fourth is drinks and my taller items. The bottom is a pull-out drawer where I keep my meat, and on top of that drawer, I keep my leftovers. For the refrigerator door, I keep the butter on top. A clear container where I keep my minced garlic because for some reason it always feels sticky And I don't know what's going on with that, so I gotta keep it in a container that's easy to clean. But I keep my glass condiments and sauces on the top shelves and my plastic on the bottom 2 shelves because I have a little kiddo and she likes to get into stuff. Step 4, the fun part. This is the part where if you want to buy matching containers, so you have that beautiful Pinterest-worthy fridge, you can go ahead because you know what you need. For me, that's all good and dandy, but I'm on a bit of a budget and I already have some things that I can use. So I'm going to repurpose. I'm repurposing some mason jars, these clear containers that I took from my pantry. And the only thing I end up buying is an egg carton. For this egg carton, I use that little handle as the front, and that's where I put my older eggs so I can use those first. And as a bonus for showing up and just sticking with me, I will show you my mason jar setup. It's really easy and it really helps with me when it comes to meal prep and snack time. So mamas, here's my little bonus for sticking with me. This is my real quick meal prep. I'm trying to eat better, but I noticed that if I don't have fresh fruit and vegetables ready to snack on, your girl is going for those chips, okay? Y'all excuse me. I'm super picky when it comes to my fruits and vegetables. So here you see me looking through my blueberries, looking for all the defects. Once I'm satisfied, I wash them and I'm drying them on a clean mat, and I'm feeling for any defects again. I did the same thing with my grapes and strawberries and let them dry. For my vegetables, to help with meal prep, I go ahead and cut them up. Since I had 2 yellow bell peppers, one of them I end up dicing and the other one slicing it. Grab yourself 3 different mason jar heights so you can see everything. And look at that, gorgeous. And that's all I have for the video today. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed and were inspired by this fridge organization video. And if you did, please like and share this video. And I hope to see you next Saturday for our monthly reset routine. Bye-bye.